Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good. That's very great. So, welcome to your computing class. And in today's class, we will be doing a new topic that is move and swap. Well, this is very interesting topic. You will really have fun in that. What is basically in it? We will draw few things on the paint. You know that we are working on paint from the last week, right? So, funny faces, right? Multimedia funny faces. So we are working on that. We have already learned that how we can draw a shape, how we can erase something, how we can color something, how we can save our work for later purpose, right? So we are already done with this all. Now in today's class, we will learn that how we can move or swap something from one place to another in paint. So today's activity, why it is interesting, because we will be drawing the funny faces in today's class, okay? So, before wasting any time, let me share the screen with you and we will start working. So, I'm opening the paint section for you. I want all of you to please open the paint on your computers as well so that we can work together, okay? So, the first thing we will be doing is that I'll be selecting a circle from here, and now I'll be, oops, I think it has not selected. Now it is. Okay. So we will be drawing two circles like this. These are basically two faces. Okay. Now this first one will be having the circular eyes, and I'm giving it a nose of this shape. Do it look funny? Yes or no? Okay. And for this, we will be having, okay, let's give this the eyes of circular shape. And then I'm giving this a nose of a triangular shape, okay? Okay, so now what next? Now we will be coloring them, okay? So let's start coloring. We will choose this color bucket. Now let's take purple and fill both of its eyes. Then take maroon and fill its nose. Now let's move toward the next shape. First, we will be choosing this bitty orange and fill its eyes. Then we will be taking the, which one? Okay, let's take the red and we will fill its nose. Okay, we have not drawn their lips. Okay, let's draw it. And for this, I'll be using the straight one. Then this one, let's draw because we are drawing the funny faces, so we will be making the funny lips as well. Okay, let's change this color. Okay, so now we are done till now, right? Now what is today's activity? Today's activity was that how we can select it and how we can move this, right? So whatever part of the image you want to swap, you will select it. Let's say I want to change this nose. I'll select it. How you will select it? Click on the select button. Select this one, right? So now I'll select on this. Now I will drag this one. Okay, let me make it a little bigger. So I will select this, the rectangular section. And now the next step is select and then draw something like this, right? First, consider, select, then draw a triangle around anything whichever you want to select. I wanted to select this nose, okay? Now this, yes, this arrow square will come. You will select it, bring it over here. Now I want to bring this nose over here, so I'll again select. Now I'll again draw a triangle. I'll drag it and bring it over here. Got it? So what we have done basically, we have changed their nose. How we have changed their nose? You will first select, right? After you will click on select, then you will draw a triangle around the portion that you want to change, then drag it and bring it to the position where you want to paste it. So this is how we can change the parts of the picture or the things that we have already drawn. Got it? Okay. Now I want you to please draw something on your paint and then practice the same drag and paste thing. Got it? Okay, hurry up. Start practicing. Let me know when you are done. Yes, Asad, are you done? Any confusion? Everything is perfect? So tell me, what is the portion that you have changed? Their eyes. Wonderful. Okay. What about you, Amna? Are you done? What have you changed? Their lips. Wonderful. Okay. So what about you, Vase? Are you done too? What are the changes you have made? The noses. Okay. So everybody is done? Any confusion in anything? No? Excellent. Okay. So now what is your home assignment? That you are supposed to draw something. You can draw some more funny faces. You can draw any other thing. Like you can draw two houses and then you can change their parts. You can draw two cards. You can draw two, what else? Two persons. You can draw two cats. X, etc. etc. Right? So whatever you want to draw, just draw two things with a different shapes by using, well, this is important that you are supposed to choose only from the shapes portion, right? So and then after that you are supposed to exchange their parts, okay? And then let me know that how was it experience. So that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Love.